Hello, let me discuss the Santa Monica case. This case is inundated with racism, discriminatory acts, systemic racism, institutional racism, and how messed up this whole situation is. There is a reason why the City Santa Monica City Hall and the Santa Monica Courthouse were defaced recently. They are halls of injustice. And I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you clear evidence. Now, this is the letter that I received via the discovery process, whereby the councilman or mayor, Kevin McEwen, wrote to the gang members. He wrote to the gang members, "Thank you for your letter about Muscle Beach." Look at this where he writes, "I'm glad to hear, far happier on the whole than the few from whom we hear periodically." That is favoritism. He uses the word than. Far happier on the whole than. He is showing favoritism, and he comes comparing groups. He is comparing a white Anglo-Saxon group to a minority group, us, me, and blacks. I have showed you in my other YouTube videos clear evidence of how blacks were discriminated and how a beach policy implemented by the beach manager targets and discriminates and obliterates the civil rights of black people. In this beach policy, implemented by the idiotic, stupid beach manager, I don't know how the hell she was hired, she promotes and condones the self-policing of Muscle Beach by a group of thugs. This group is an admitted gang. The city of Santa Monica admits that they're a gang, yet the courts refuse to hear the matter, and they have the audacity to try to dismiss the case via an MSJ. However, I have filed writs, and I will appeal, and I will do so much more. Even the courts, you think I'm a dummy? The courts are trying to cover up, even the appellate courts and the Supreme Court of California. However, the mass media needs to be aware of what's going on. That's how things are going to be changed because of the institutional racism. These judges are covering up for one another. You don't think I know that? I have been wrongly convicted of a 391 motion based on what a city attorney did. Yet I am innocent of this 391 motion. One judge denied the motion, one judge granted the motion based on the exact same evidence. These judges are so screwed up that they wanted to convict me that they didn't get their cards right. And there was never any probable cause. It was done with malice. It was a malicious prosecution. I have the evidence. Currently, the California Supreme Court resent it to the Second District Court of Appeals. All of this stuff. They're trying to dismiss it. However, I have the evidence. And that's why there was the recent uprising by the people of the state of California. And I want the black people especially to be aware of what's going on. So comment down below, subscribe.